So hello everyone, today I'm going to tell you about routing in Node.js, how you can give response to different routes if we have made requests to different routes. So for example, right now we are on the home route and we are logging or we are sending this response which is hello Node.js. If I go to different routes, so can I send a different data and how can I do that? So for that actually we have extracted that URL. In earlier video I shown you how you can extract the URL from the request. So you can access that with the help of request URL, which will consider the path on which the request is made. For example, backslash login or register or anything. So according to that URL, we'll be sending the different responses. So we'll be doing that. Let's first access this URL and validate it. If this URL, will be managing it by this if statement. We are just checking that if the URL is the home route, then we'll be executing this command or this write statements. We'll be returning them. So you can do that. But if we have different route, for example, you can write else if URL if, for example, is login route, then we can return the different data for that. And that is the thing you can do. So for example, if it is this home route, then we'll be sending this data. And if it is the login route, then we can send the different data. For example, I can send the login page here. In the title, I can change a login here, I can write, and I can send that. And I have to restart the server because we have made the changes in here. So we can do that. Node server.js, I can write that. And if I go to the home route, you can see that the same location is there, same data is there right now. But if I go to the login route, we'll see the different data. So you can see that different data is passed or returned, which is login here. So this is how you can differentiate between the routes by using this URL or request.url. Also you can access the different method of data, like if we are making the post request, then we can also customize that with the help of request.method, which we earlier saw. And in the next video we'll be talking about how you can send the post request in Node.js. So how can we handle that? So we'll be learning about that in the next video. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in another one.